Hello guys, welcome back. Video number 58. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to create service page in WordPress. As you know, service page every website should have. Why? Because suppose you are a doctor, okay, and you want to create your own website, or you are creating your own website. So with the help of service you can show what you are expert in which field, okay, which kind of service you can provide. Suppose you are heart surgeon, so in heart what kind of service you can provide, dialysis and all these things. So with the help of service, the audience or your customer can get to know about your service. One thing you can do with the help of service, even you can display on home page, or you can create a special page and that display on our menu. So in this video we are going to learn how to create service page. So this video is basically also a step by step. So let me log in my WP admin and I'll show you how you can create service page as per your business or as per your client requirement. So these are my all already created pages. So what you need to do, you just have to click on pages section, add new, because we are going to create service page first time. We haven't created before. So I have to give title of this page. So my page is service, and as you know, content layout you have to full width, and header I don't want top bar. And first you publish. Why I do publish, I have already shared with you, because I want to create first page, then I want to customize as per requirement. So you just need to create Elementor, edit. So how it looks. So we are in our service page section. So I'm going to create service page. First I need a banner. So you have to click plus sign, then after this full width, and in inner plus sign you have to click and just choose whatever you want. I want an image. So in image now I have to choose service. So suppose I have a service banner like this about this, okay, and just that's it, banner done. Okay, if you want full width you can do it, depend the size of banner. So I am just using any randomly without any designed this. I would recommend you, like, first of all you have to create, or you get created by anyone. So as per the requirement, the minimum size, the designer, or you can do Google for the size, because totally depend. You want a box kind of website or full with website, what is called full and box website. So let me show you. Look at this, the template. So this is a box. So you can see here we have a margin, and this side we have a margin, and all this thing we are doing in just this part. So it's called a boxed kind of website. What is called full width website, let me show you. To setting, I want to show you everything, because you should know how, what is this. Let me show you this. So this called a content is boxed. If I do a full width, so now you can see the size of actually the image size is already like not the full. So I have to use another. So now, but you here you can see, like, look at this blue bar. Now it's showing me like full width. So it's going outside both side. So same, I suppose I have a big banner, so that would automatically adjust it in as per the size, but I am only use boxed. Now you can see it's came back their place. So now I need a title because every page must have a title, so I'm just adding title to. So you just drop this here. You must have noticed one thing, that I'm teaching you like your friend or the lay person can understand, because I have seen lots of students ask me, sir, I know how to do WordPress, but we do for blog. Okay, we don't know how to create a website for the clients, how we can make money as a service provider, website design development with the help of WordPress. So I'm teaching you step by step without any like pre-built theme, because already done work, what you can do, you can't do anything, you don't have too much to learn on this thing. So here we are learning a step by step everything. That's why we have a hundreds of video of this course you are learning. So I'm trying my best. If still any missed from my side, you can comment me or ask me, I'll definitely upload a new video for you guys. So here uh, our services. Okay, let me give some cool style. First of all, I'm changing the color. Done. Font size, it can be bold, and I'm changing the style of this font. Look at this. Okay, and little bit some kind of shadows, motion effect. I can give a animation like this. Okay, and border solid, motion done. Background we do not. Yeah, now you can see the border of this service, and even I can give a shadow more. Masking you need or not, that's it, we have done. Just update. Same you can do for mobile. If you want to see how it looks mobile, so there is option responsive board, just goes, and now you can see it's already like optimized or already responsive, so you don't need to do anything. Just come back desktop version. Now we need a services. So suppose I have a 10 services, so how I can display? I just need to like it can be in 3 parts or it can be in 4 parts, totally depend, because if you have a like service, so let's try with 313133. Just click here and type icon, and you can choose this one. Same plus 3. If you don't want, you can try this one also. There are lots of different boxes. I'm sharing with you all, so it totally depends which one you like or your client like. You can use image box too. So now we have a 3 different types of boxes. Now it's totally depends on you, but I would recommend you try with this, because here you can get the title, little bit description, and more features, like you can add even buttons also. Click this pencil and read more. So now you have a button also. If you want to give on hover, suppose you just hover the mouse and then it comes, so you have a good chance you can add a content more. So if you want to change this icon, so just go to icon, this and this, that's it, now changed. You can change your title also. For title, got it, same you can do with this. You need to change, you can choose this, same the title. And here you don't have any option to add a button. Okay, so better, that's why I recommended you try with this kind of box. And same in image, you can upload a image, any kind of image as per your need, you can see now. Okay, and more functions, if you need another kind of function, so you can go to style. Okay, so style, you can give shadow. Now see the shadow, even you want a box shadow, you go here, you have a box shadow and just update, that's it. So this way you can create a beautiful page. If you don't know how to create, or you don't have like any knowledge about before this process, I have shared with you, you have to just follow. And for the reference, you go to themeforest.com, choose any theme and just go to their service section and just replicate the same. Okay, you don't need to do anything, process same, just you need to do it. Hope you like this video, so I'll see you in next video. Thank you, bye guys.